Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to permanently delete your Asana account using the mobile app. If you no longer need your account or want to remove your data, first, open the Asana app on your phone. Once it is open, tap on the account icon at the bottom right. Next, click on the profile icon at the top right corner. After that, see the option labeled View Profile and tap on it. Then scroll further down until you find the option Delete my account. Tap on this option to start the deletion process. A confirmation screen will appear. Click on Continue and choose the reason why you want to delete your account from the provided list. After selecting a reason, click on Continue again. You will be asked to type the word Delete in order to confirm your choice. Carefully type Delete and then click on Delete Account to permanently remove your account from Asana. Finally, your account will be deleted and you will no longer have access to any data associated with it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and share it with friends who may need this guide. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.